I did. I just want to see if I can do the three boxes first and give you an idea of what to do here in Evo Slider. So I have to go find them first. Okay. Begin. So name, box, class, aside, ID of left, info. Okay. All right. So what you could do here is this. You go to your news boxes, right? See, we have info left, info right, and info center. You can make a copy of each of these, okay? And then we're going to reinsert them in a second here, okay? And then what you could do is just go info boxes, right info, all the way down to info boxes. You see that? All right. Well, what you can do is you first of all, you can copy it, but you may have to go modify templates, detach from template, okay? So let's do that first. Modify template, detach from template on the page you want to do this with. Right, and then we're going to copy from info boxes all the way down to info boxes right here. Actually copy the clear as well, okay? So copy that, then put your cursor after the div clear. If it's there, hit enter and paste. Now what we're going to do is change these over to info box left 2, 2, and 2. Like you're going to basically, you'll have to just sort of reinsert these, but I'm just trying to figure out the best way to make these columns there to make it as easy as possible. So first of all, let's just preview the page here and see if it does the trick. We're looking for dual, yep, there we go. Dual lines. Okay, so now we've got the dual boxes by copying and pasting. Now what you're going to do is, let's go with, I'll just show you. Let's go info center right here. Let's call it info center 2, like that. Okay, and then what we're going to do is find the info center right here. Right, and we're going to take it out. See that yellow? Yeah. We're going to select that. Let me get out of here and get back so I can select it again here. Info, this one here, this live item. Yeah, just delete that. Hit enter a few times, like so, and then go over to your asset panel and then insert the info center 2. Okay, don't rename them, as I said first. Physically reinsert them so they'll update properly, and then you'll be good to go. So I hope that helps with that question there. Yeah, as a matter of fact, that what I just showed you now, go reinsert your info box carousel once you fixed it. The reason being is once you've knocked off a div tag or an li tag or ul tag, div, li, or ul, if you knock one of those things off so they're imbalanced, Dreamweaver chokes. Dreamweaver is like really code strict. So if you have imbalanced tags, the library pages will oftentimes just cease to update. So you have to fix them, and then you have to go back in the page and reinsert them, just like I showed you. Go find your thing that's not working, right? Say, so maybe I'll give you an example of the menu here, right? Let's say we've pooched our news ticker, right? What you do is you find the item, the library item, you select the code in yellow, and then you hit live item, and you delete it. Hit the enter key right away, so there's some space to work with, like so. Then you go to your asset panel and you go and find your, like we said news ticker, right? Go and find the news ticker wrapper in this case, right? And then you hit insert. So you make sure you fix whatever you did first, then you go to your page, yank out the component, and then reinsert it, and that solves the problem.